Welcome. In this video I am going to discuss about the top 10 private engineering colleges of West Bengal. Okay, uh, if you are interested about the counseling procedure of WBJEE, you should carefully watch this video. Okay, already the WBJEE examination is over and the result is going to publish soon. Okay, so after publishing the result, uh, the counseling procedure will start soon. Okay, so the total colleges basically are divided into three categories. Okay, so category number one, that is government engineering colleges, and second category, that is private engineering colleges, and the third category, that is universities. Okay, there is some government universities, private colleges like IEM, Heritage, Techno India, St. Thomas, these kinds of many private colleges are there. Government colleges like Kullani government, Jalpaiguri government, etc., and university like Jadavpur University, Bardhaman University, Calcutta University, etc. Okay, so in this video I will discuss about the private engineering colleges only, and in the upcoming videos I will discuss about the government universities and as well as the government engineering colleges. I already provide you a video about the review of government engineering college Berhampur. Okay, I am giving the link of that video in the description box. Please watch that video also. It will be also helpful for your counseling. Okay, so let's start. The first college is Institute of Engineering and Management. This is the top private engineering college of West Bengal, and this having almost 100% placement in every branch. Okay, the placement is very good here. So if you get this college, you no need to be worried about the placement. Let's see the cutoff of this college. I am showing the cutoff of a particular year. Okay, don't be rigid minded that this will be the cutoff. No, the cutoff will be similar like this. Okay, first one is the opening rank. This is the opening rank. Opening rank means the student having the lowest rank who got admission there. Okay, 1119. This is the rank of the student who got admission computer science and engineering at IEM. Okay, and the closing rank means student having the highest rank who got admission there. So if you want to know how much your chance there, so you just have to look at the closing rank. Okay, up to this rank student got admission there, that is the issue. Okay, so here it is 2761 rank. Okay, so the cutoff may vary plus minus 1k rank, 1000 rank maximum. The cutoff may vary this. Okay, the last year rank was suppose 3000, so this year the closing rank may be 4000, maybe 2000. It will vary between this rank range. Huge change will not be there. And look at this, for electronics and communication engineering the cutoff rank was 2078, and for information technology that was 5723. I will make a different video where I will discuss about the preference of the subjects also. Okay, so in this video I am just discussing the cutoff and the top private engineering colleges. So that was the cutoff, and if you look at the cutoff, it is clear that this is a very good college, so cutoff is low compared with the other private engineering colleges. The second college is Heritage Institute of Technology, that is also located in Kolkata area. And the first college, that was Institute of Engineering and Management, known as IEM, that is also located in Kolkata. What are the advantages of colleges in Kolkata? Okay, Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal, so the opportunity of placement is good there for the good communication. Okay, so look at the cutoff of Heritage Institute of Technology, that is civil engineering, that is 5300. Closing rank means the cutoff. Okay, CSE Computer Science 4227, Information Technology 8496, Electronics and Communication Engineering. The cutoff of these two subjects, Computer Science and Engineering and Electronics and Communication Engineering, is always high. Okay, so you may guess from these that these two are the very good subject for placement. Applied Electronics and Instrumentation, that is basically the instrumentation engineering, 7141. Chemical Engineering, if you are interested about the chemistry, so you may take admission in the Chemical Engineering branch. Cutoff rank is 8134. The cutoff of these two colleges, Heritage and IEM, is good than many government engineering colleges also. The reason is what? The reason is the good placement statistics of these two colleges. Okay, let's look at the third college, that is Techno India Salttech Sector 5. Don't be confused at the time of choice filling of WBJEE. Okay, there are 4 to 5 colleges named Techno India. Okay, Techno India, one college is there in Rajarhat, that is known as Techno International Rajarhat, and another college is there that is known as Techno International Batanagar. Okay, so Techno India is a private engineering college group. Under that college group, many colleges are there in West Bengal. Okay, and the best college of Techno India group is Techno India Salttech Sector 5. Sector 5, okay, remember this is the best private engineering college under Techno India group. Lots of private engineering college groups are there, like the IEM UEM group, like the Camellia group, like the GIS group, etc. Okay, so look at the cutoff. For computer science and engineering, the cutoff is 6197. For electronics and communication, that is 7156. For electrical and electronics having the same cutoff here, almost same. For information technology, that is around 10,000. For electronics and instrumentation, around 9,000. So if your rank is less than 10,000, so you have a chance. For CSE, your rank should be less than 6,000, 7,000, in this range. Okay, now the fourth college is St. Thomas College of Engineering and Technology. That is also a very good college for placement and for study also. Okay, rules are very strict for this college, so for education and study purpose, this is also a very good college. Look at the cutoff. For computer science engineering, around 8700, quite higher than Techno India Sector 5. Electrical, very less cutoff, 5873. For IT, that is information technology, 15,000 cutoff, and electronics and communication, 5685. Okay, so up to these 4 colleges, the placement is very good. Okay, Haldia Institute of Technology, up to 1 to 4 our colleges are located in the Kolkata location, but this college is located in the East Mednipur district in Haldia. Haldia also an industrial city that is famous for the Haldia petrochemical industry is there. Okay, the placement is also good for this college. Let's look at the cutoff. Applied electronics and instrumentation engineering, 10,000 cutoff, and for biotechnology, that is quite higher, 31,000 cutoff for biotechnology. For chemical engineering, 10,000, civil 5,000 around, computer science 8,328, electrical 4,300, electronics and communication, that is also very less cutoff. Food technology cutoff is quite higher. For the subjects like food technology, biotechnology, you having a higher rank, you may get admission there. Okay, okay, so information for instrumentation and control engineering, that is also similar subject like applied electronics and instrumentation, 14,000 cutoff is there. For mechanical, 3,400. less cutoff. For production engineering, quite high cutoff. Okay, so let's move. The sixth college is RCC Institute of Information Technology, that is also located in Kolkata location. Okay, so this college provide a very good percentage of placement for computer science. Computer science and engineering, the cutoff rank very less cutoff rank, 8887. For IT it is quite higher cutoff. For electronics and communication, 7816. And for applied electronics and instrumentation, that is 15,000. For electrical, 7675. Okay, seventh college is Netaji Subhash Engineering College, that is also located in Kolkata city, and this is the college under Techno India Group, the second best college of Techno India Group, that is Netaji Subhash Engineering College. Look at the cutoff. Biomedical engineering, 40,000. I already said the cutoff of the main branches like computer science, electrical, electronics and communication, the cutoff is less, and for the subjects like biomedical, biotechnology, food technology, chemical, cutoff is quite high. Okay, electronics and instrumentation engineering, that is 17,000 cutoff. Okay, now move. The eighth college is Academy of Technology, that is also located near about Kolkata, but it is under the Hooghly district. Academy of Technology, known as AOT. Okay, so look at the cutoff first. Cutoff is little bit higher than the previous colleges, 24,000 for computer science and engineering. But don't worry, go to the site of AOT college, there is the placement statistics there. This college provide almost 100% placement for computer science and engineering. Okay, the placement is good there. Cutoff may be quite higher, but placement is good. Don't worry, don't judge the college with respect to the cutoff. Electrical engineering, that is 13,000. Information technology, 32,000 cutoff. Mechanical, 13,584. And electronics and communication, 19,000. Applied electronics instrumentation, 41,000. Okay, then the next college is MCKV Institute of Engineering. This college is located at the Howrah. Okay, so look at the cutoff. Automobile engineering is here, the cutoff is 22,000. For computer science, 12,890. Electronics, that is also less than 10,000. Information technology, 22,000. Electrical, 10,000. Mechanical, 9,000. Okay, now at the 10th position I can put some colleges, so it is tough to guess which college is good, but they are more or less good for placement. First is BC Roy Engineering College, that is located in Durgapur. Durgapur is also a industrial city of West Bengal. Some software companies are also there, so you can expect a good placement from this college. Narula Institute of Technology, that is located near about Kolkata under the North 24 PGS district. Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, these two colleges are under JIS group, and these two colleges provides a very good placement also. BP Poddar Institute of Management and Technology, near about Kolkata and present under the North 24 Parganas district. Okay, so this was the discussion about the top private engineering colleges. If you have any query regarding the placement of colleges, you may ask in the comment box section also. Okay, so I am ending this video here. In the upcoming video I will provide you information about the government engineering colleges and as well as the government universities like Jadavpur, UIT Bardhaman, Calcutta University, etc. Okay, so thank you.